everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a veggie burger. It's very quick and very easy to make, and this is going to be oilless, oil-free veggie burger. This is organic veggie burger. And these patties are frozen patties, and I will share with you how it's easy to make it within 15 minutes. You can use any type of bread. You can use a bun or the whole grain bread, wheat bread, white bread, whatever you prefer. Lettuce, then you can use mayo, tomato ketchup, relish, mustard. If you like it hot, use the sriracha. We're going to use American cheese, and then if you like onion. Without wasting time, let's get started. I'm going to get the veggie burger. Look at how delicious veggie burgers are. I'm going to open up the air fryer and we'll place it in air fryer, just like this. We're going to close it. I'll plug it in. We're going to start it. We're going to keep the temperature at 370 degrees Fahrenheit, and the time we're going to keep it for 15 minutes. After 8 minutes, I'll come back and we're going to flip them over. We'll start it. It's exactly 8 minutes. We left it for 15 minutes, so now 7 more minutes to go, so it's 8 minutes, we're done. I'm going to open it. This is really important that when you open it, you flip these over, just like this. As you can see, we haven't added anything. They're looking really nice, and now we'll put it back again. And once we put it in, it will start automatically where it left off. 7 more minutes to go and it will be ready. We're almost done. We have the final beep. I'll take it out and I'll share with you. I'm going to get the bread. You can use any bread as you prefer. And I'm going to get some sriracha. If you're not adding sriracha, please try it. This is going to be really tasty. And we're going to add ketchup, relish. You can spread it evenly. Then mayo. I'll bring the patties. Look at these delicious veggie patties. And we're going to add cheese. Then lettuce. Wow, look at this, so delicious. Quick and easy veggie burger is all ready. Please try it in air fryer. It's oilless, oil-free, healthy veggie burger. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.